It's the birds. Oh my God, look at all the birds over here. All right, we're in the movie called The Birds. They're gonna shit on me anytime now. I'm getting a video. Oh my God, you should come out here. Listen to that. They're in every tree.
You get the sound.
Look. Yeah. Oh my gosh, look. Look at them all. Look at every tree.
What kind of birds are they?
I'm not sure. They're, yeah, grackle.
Oh my God. I'm gonna put my hood up.
Not here. I've never seen them do this around here. I want them all to take off again.
I know. I put my hood up.
Yeah, really. All right. Well, if they're starting to move again.
Looks like leaves back on the tree.
Mm-hmm.
Doesn't it?
Oh, they're over here.
Now I put my hood up.
Here they come. Oh, well, they're moving. Oh, look at them come. Look, they're all leaving down there.
How many are there?
Oh, tens of thousands, probably in total. I've seen birds like this before, but never around here. Not in these trees. Wow.
What?
Oh, push. Oh, here they, oh, they're really coming now. Whoa! That's incredible. Look at this.
I've never seen that here.
They cleared out. There they go.
They're all leaving?
They're all leaving.
Oh no!
It got quieter.
Listen to the bird shit falling. You hear it? It's like raining.
Wow, this is the last batch. And they're gone.
There's like a big predator up there.